This video is a part of the free traffic series for affiliate marketers, for new affiliate marketers, for people that are new to affiliate marketing. We're going to use Quora to make $100,000. Stick to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to make $100,000 with Quora. $100,000. Stick to the end of the video. You want to know why? Quora has over 300 million monthly active users. Okay, the site, they're 43% to 57% female to male ratio, very 50-50 split down the middle. Adults who are 18 years of older with a household income greater than $100,000 spend two times more on Quora than LinkedIn. Okay, mobile generates the most impressions on click-throughs on Quora ads. We're not going to do Quora ads, and users spend an average of 4 or 5 minutes on Quora a day. Okay, here we are in Quora. Is my home in Quora. We're not going to worry about my page. We're going to go up and we're going to search Quora. Now, Quora has something called Spaces. Okay, now very much like groups in Facebook, you can put any niche you want in here. I'm going to use affiliate marketing because that's my niche. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to look for the spaces. Okay, these are all topics. This is the space. You come to affiliate marketing, a space, which is basically the group. Okay, so this group has 70,000 members. Okay, so we're going to make a post. Now you can't, you can put affiliate links into the groups, okay, but you don't want to spam. You want to put, you want to have a web page and watch my other videos. I'm not going to go in depth for sales funnels and such, but watch my other videos. I have all kinds of free trials and free tutorials, and even a course. That link is in the description for affiliate marketing. So I'm not going to go into all of that. So we're going to go right into the traffic source. So let's say there's 70,000 people. So you're going to put a post in front of 70,000 people. Now let's hope that this is actually a good group. They're very active, and you can do research to find the groups that are active in your niche. You become a member by posting in the group, okay, with value in the niche. Okay, you become what's called an authority in the niche, somebody who knows something. Maybe you can answer some questions in the niche, in the group. Okay, so then you make a post for your affiliate product, okay, which we're going to go into it in a second. And you're hoping to get, somewhere between 5 and 10%, depending. Now, again, it could be as low as 1%, 2%. It depends on, the clickability of your post. You're going to have to get better and better and better with your posts, okay, with your creative, as they would call it, okay, which is your image and your copy and your headline and all of that kind of stuff that's in your post. Okay, so you have to work on that stuff to get it to convert. Once you have a good post, it's going to convert 5 to 10%. We're going to go through that in a second. Okay, but let's say we need a product for affiliate marketing. You get a commission. You're going to promote a product. You're going to get an affiliate link, which is going to be trackable to you, and you're going to get a commission when you make a sale. So I'm going to use Digistore 24. You don't have to use Digistore 24. I'm going to use it for this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel. I have plenty of other videos on Digistore 24, how to make money with Digistore 24 and how to promote their products, okay? But now right here, we're going to go looking for a product in affiliate marketing. So, this is, I came to their site, and on the left-hand side where I'm covering it is all the niches over here. So I went to internet marketing and e-business, and they started off with a YouTube course, but I'm looking for affiliate marketing. So there's an affiliate marketing course. So I'm going to make posts promoting this course. I can even say that I've taken the course and it's worked wonders for me. And you can do stuff like that, or you can just, it's also got an affiliate support page. And the affiliate support page, I'm not going to click it and go through because I want to make this a quick video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. It's going to show you how to use the support page. But it's going to have creatives, it's going to have images, it's going to have copy, it's going to have headlines, it's going to have all kinds of information and stuff for you to use to promote the product. Okay, so you got a leg up. Remember I said you had to figure out a post that was going to convert? They've got a whole website with tools for you that already convert. They've already done all the tests and they know what converts for this product. Okay, so now let's just say, let's get the calculator out. Now it was 70,600. Okay, was the was the amount of people in the group. Now we said we would get between 5 and 10% with a good ad or with a good post. Okay, so let's go with the low end, 5%. Well, you know what? Let's say 6%. So we're going to times it by 6%, and you get 4,000 hits. 4,200 people are going to go and click your link out of the 70. Okay, so 70,600 people are members of the group. We said about 6% of them are going to convert. Now we got 4,236 people have gone to my link to the sales page here for my affiliate offer. They've used my affiliate link, so now they're being tracked. If they make a sale, I'm going to get credit. So their cart conversion is 5%. That means that for the traffic you send to them, it's going to convert at 5%. So we're sending 4,200 people there. We're going to times that by 5%, because 5% of the people are going to buy, right? So we made 211 sales. Now at 211 sales, now over here, we're going to make $558 a sale. So I'm going to times that by 558, okay? Almost $120,000. Almost $120,000 just from this one group. Actually, it's called Quora Spaces. So you're going to use Quora Spaces for free traffic, and you're just not going to spam the group again or the space again. You're going to give value in your niche, whatever your niche is. So like my niche was affiliate marketing, so I would give pointers and a couple of tips, maybe a checklist or something. I'd make a couple of posts for a few days. Every third post I make would be an affiliate link, okay? Every third post. Number one, you want to do that. Very important. You got to be passionate. Believe in your product. You got to believe in your niche, okay? It's got to be something you have passion for. So you coming across, remember, it's attraction marketing. So you have to be attractive. You have to have passion. You have to have charisma. Okay, now number two is you got to have a story. Now, what's your story? How did you get to where you are? How did you get from point A to point B? How did you get from the pain to now the pleasure? How do you get from the problem to the solution? So now you're in the solution. Now you want to help other people get to the solution. So how did you do it? That's your story, okay? If you don't have your own story, find a story, make one up, find someone else's story. Maybe your mentor has a story. Be a leader. You want to be the leader that you want to be, the leader you would follow, okay? So it's, remember, you're going to be an influencer, okay? Now you've heard about Instagram influencers. Now social media influencers, they're the people that are in their niche that have authority. They're an authority figure in the niche. And how do you get to be an authority figure? Number 4 is you give value, and you give free value. The key to it all is giving free value in attraction marketing. So like every third post is going to be an affiliate link, but the other 2 posts are going to be value. They're going to be tips. They're going to be something of value in the niche. So people are going to recognize you as someone that when they see your post, they're going to go, that's something interesting. I need to look at it. Or, you might link to other articles and other things so they get used to clicking from your post off to some value. So then when you post something with an affiliate link, they're automatically going to click it and go to the affiliate page. And once you get into the sales page, it's all about getting into the sales funnel. Now remember, click on some of my other videos, subscribe to my channel, because you need to build an email list. You need to have a landing page. You can't send people straight to the affiliate page, okay, to the sales page. Number 5 is content creation. Now you're going to have to get better and better at creating content, and you're going to have to pump it out on a regular basis. The more content out there, the better it is, okay? So now those are the 5 attraction marketing key steps. Like and subscribe. Now the next video that's coming up is going to be the next video in the series of free traffic for new affiliate marketers. Click the link right now, continue the loop, and learn more about free traffic.